Most of you have sent this, not most, many of you have sent this to send the response to me, though I sent it very late. I think I sent yesterday. When some of them are correct, some of them need corrections. The top ones, mostly they are right. Let's see who has not done. Shabashta Bhagini.
Sorry, Mahodaya, I couldn't complete it. My mother's not well, so I didn't do it.
Good. Can you do it now? Right now? Can you read? Rama.
Yes. Ramah Dasharathasya. Is it Pratamaha Putraha?
So when we are going through this, maybe somebody who is on the Telegram group, can you please note the right answers and post them to the group, please? Who can do that?
I can do that, Mahodaya.
Dhanyawada. Okay, Prathamaha Putraha. Okay, next one.
The next one is Bhimaha Kuntyaha Dvitiyaha Putraha.
Dvitiyaha Putraha. Okay.
Yeah.
Then Tritiyam Vakyam. Patatu.
Devasya Shankarasya. So this त्रीणि नेत्राणि सन्ति.
देवस्य शङ्करस्य कति नेत्राणि सन्ति? त्रीणि नेत्राणि सन्ति. ओके, चतुर्थं वाक्यं.
संवत्सरे it has to be masaha bhavanti. It has to be
संवत्सरे कति मासाः भवन्ति?
Yeah, it is 12. So it has to be dvadasha ha masaः bhavanti.
No, kevalam dvadasha. Let's say grama sankhyaha. So if you look at this, first is Sankhyaha, then Sankhyeyas.
Yeah.
Now Sankhyaha, so we want to say 12. So where is 12?
Yeah.
Here. Do you get Dvadasha here? Do you see Dvadasha?
Yeah.
So this Dvadasha, so you see a Trilingeshu Nitya Bahuvachanam. So this Pancha to Navadasha, there is no change. They will be like this.
Okay.
So only Dvadasha. So Dvadasha.
Dvadasha. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next one. पञ्चमं वाक्यं मार्च् मासे कति दिनानि भवन्ति? 30 in March.
Days are September, April, June. 31 days, yeah.
Okay. 31. How do you say 31?
30 is
एकत्रिंशत् दिनानि भवन्ति. So you look here again. So here एकत्रिंशत् अस्ति अत्र. The next Vijayanta Bhagini, you can do the rest.
I don't think so is right, but I'll try, sir. Saptahe sapta dinani bhavanti. I don't know whether it's right or not. Is it right? Okay.
Why do you doubt? What is the question?
My doubt is because it's supposed to be in a week. There are 7 days, right? So but based on just now what you told me, what you told us just now is that 5 to Navadasha, there's no change in Vachanam, Lingam and so on. So it should be Sapta, right?
Sapta, correct. Sapta dinani bhavanti.
Then Saptahe Tritiya Dinam, this is Buddha Vasarah. This is Tritiyah Dinam Buddha Vasarah.
Tritiyam.
Third day, is it?
Huh?
Is it supposed to be third day?
Third. Right?
Oh.
Third day. Third day is Budhvasara, which is, we want to say Tritiya is for third, but we want to use the Napumsakalinga Padam. Because Dinam is Napumsakalingam.
So this will be
and
Tritiyam.
Tritiya is coming as a Visheshanam for Dinam. Tritiyam Dinam Budhavasara.
Okay.
Next.
So Ramayane Saptamam Kandani Santi. Is it right?
Now, what is the meaning of this sentence?
In Ramayana, there's 7 chapters. There are 7 chapters.
Yeah.
So the Kandani, Napumsakalingam. So Saptamam, correct, sir?
Saptamam becomes 7th.
So okay. So then it should be Sapta Kandani. Okay.
Kandani. So you see the 6th one is also like that, right? Saptahe Sapta Dinani Bhavanti. Ramayane Sapta Kandani Santi. So we want to say 7.
Yeah, okay. Then Pandavaha Dwadasha Samvatsarani Vani Nivasanti. So 12 months they were in the forest. Okay, then Pandavaha Trayodashattamam Samvatsare Virata Deshe Nivasanti. I think so. No. I think this is wrong. It's supposed to be 13th month they were staying in the jungle in Virata. Correct, sir?
So here Samvatsare. So because Vibhakti is there. Which Vibhakti is this one? Samvatsare.
7th, is it?
No. Vibhakti. 7th. Okay. Saptami Vibhakti. So the Visheshana also should be in Saptami Vibhakti. So Trayodasha also should be Saptami.
So it should be in Strilinga.
No, Linga is already there. Samvatsara is what? Samvatsara, it could be Pullinga or Napumsakalinga, doesn't matter, because both are similar in Saptami.
Okay.
So Trayodasha, now question is Trayodasha should be in Saptami Bhakti.
Okay, then that it should be
Trayodashatama should be in Saptami. Trayodashatama.
So if it is in Saptami Vibhakti, then Trayodashatame.
Correct. So Trayodashatame Samvatsare Virata Deshan. Trayodashatama is Akaranta. It could be, if you want to use Pullinga, you can use like Rama. If you want to use it in Napumsakalinga, you can use it like Hala or Vana, like Vanam, Vane. So Trayodashatame Samvatsare Virata Deshe Nivasanti. Okay. By the way, this one is Samvatsara is Pullinga.
Okay. Then Panchamaha Pandaveshu Bhimaha Balavan. Sorry.
So here also Vibhakti is there.
This is the 7th Vibhakti, Saptama Vibhakti. So it should be, hold on, Panchameshu.
What is the meaning of the Vakyam?
But we are referring to Bhimaha, right? Bhimaha Balavan. Bhima is supposed to be that one. I don't know. It's supposed to be 5th Pandav. Among the 5th Pandavas, Bhima is the strongest one. Is that right?
Among 5th Pandavas, what does that mean? What is 5th Pandavas?
Among them, it's supposed to be Shashti, is it? No, Saptami. Not sure, sir.
No, Saptami is fine, but meaning I'm saying, when you say in the fifth Pandavas, what does it mean?
Among the five Pandavas, Bhima is the strongest, what I meant. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, so we don't want to use Sankhyaya here. We just want to use simple Sankhya, like Sapta Kanda, etc. So we just want to use in 5 Pandavas, Bhima is strong.
So it's Pancha Pandava. No, this one should be...
Pancha is correct. Okay. Pancha is correct, but now we want to make it a Visheshanam. It is a Visheshanam. So it should be in the same Linga and Vibhakti Vachana.
Okay.
So if you look at this one, if you see Pancha here, this is a Sankhya, not Sankhyaya. So Sankhya only we want. So if we look at this Pancha, so you have to go to the Saptami Bhakti because Pandaveshu is in Saptami. So what is the word here?
Panchasu.
So just put there Panchasu. Panchasu Pandaveshu Bhimaha Balavan.
Okay,
and this Panchasu is always Bahuvachanam and Trilingeshu. Whether this Pandava or whatever the Vishesha Padam Bhavati, whether it is Napunsakalinga, Pullinga, Strilinga, but the Panchasu will remain Panchasu only.
Okay.
Panchasu Pandaveshu Bhimaha Balavan.
Okay.
Next one.
So Balakaha Panchavimshatihi Katham Patati. I'm not sure, is he reading 25 books, 25 stories he's reading it, or is he reading the 25th story? I think.
What is Katham? Katham means?
Sorry?
How many stories?
Oh, okay. Dvitiya Bahuvachanam, is it?
Do not ask me.
I'm just...
Why? This is Akaranta Strilinga. This is a very basic one. So everyone should be knowing this. Whether it is what Vachana it is.
Okay.
Katha, Katham. So what is the Vachanam?
So it should be Katham. Bahuvachanam, right?
Why is it Bahuvachanam? If you look at Akaranta Strilinga, which is like, which one is the reference one here? So Katha will be like what word here, as you see on my screen? Katha will be like what word?
Probably it's Rama.
Rama. So if you look Rama, where do you see Katham like word here? Katha changes to Katham. So Rama changes to...
So Katham, that means it's Dvitiya Ekavachanam.
Dvitiya Ekavachanam. So there is only one story is there. So Balakaha Katham Patati. So he is reading one Katha. Now this 25 should be what? Sankhya or Sankhyaya? Should it say Balakaha 25 story Patati or Balaka 25th story Patati?
25th story.
So then what should be the word for 25th?
So 25th should be hold on, what is this? So Panchavimshatimam. So that should be a correction. Panchavimshatimam.
So what is the word for 25?
Panchavimshatihi.
So then to make it Sankhyaya, add Tama to the full word. So Panchavimshati Tama.
Tama. I forgot.
Okay, so balakah, what will this become? Panchavimshati.
Vimshati tama. Tama. What is that? Katham patati.
What is the word here? Panchavimshati. Tama.
Panchavimshati tamam. Correct, sir?
Panchavimshati tamam. But here katha is a strilinga. Panchavimshati tamam also should be in strilinga. So you have to change that to Panchavimshati tama to strilinga.
Tama. Okay, sorry. So it's Panchavimshati tama. It's Srilinga, right? So it's Panchavimshati tama.
So let's go to Sankhyeyas. So it is Sankhyeyas here. Okay, so here if you see, so as you see here, Strilinga words are looking like what? Akaranta or Ikaranta?
Ikaranta.
So change that Panchavimshati tama to Panchavimshati tami.
Okay. Tami.
So here it becomes Balakah Panchavimshati tamim. Like it is like Nadi. Nadi Shabda comes in the Ditya Vibhakti. Ekavachana becomes Nadim.
Okay.
So like that Balakah.
Panchavimshati tamim.
Tami dirgha. Panchavimshati tamim katham pathati.
Katham patati. Okay. Okay, sir.
Or some of you have written like in this form, not adding tama, just like Vimsha, Vimshi. Vimshaha is also, instead of adding tama, T can be removed, just becomes Vimshaha. In Srilinga it becomes Vimshi. So you can use Pancha Vimshi, right? Pancha Vimshi. So in that case it becomes Pancha Vimshim Katham Patati. That is another form. But Tama, if it is easier to remember, I can use that. Okay, 13th. Pustakasya. Wants to do next 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
I can go, Mother.
Yeah, okay.
So 13 is Pustakasya Nava Navate Pute Shlokah Asti.
Which one? Navanavate?
Navanavate.
Okay. How did you come with Navanavate?
I was thinking this, it should be in the same form as this Pute. So I don't know what this Pute meant, but I think it looks like it is in some Saptami.
Puta is a page.
Okay.
Page. Okay. So what we want to form the sentence here, Pustakasya.
Yeah. And then 99th.
99th. So 99th, what is the meaning? What is the word?
Navanavatam.
Okay, what is the word for 99?
Okay, let me check. I'm now confused. Sorry. So for 99, it's Nava. Okay, so Navatitam. So Navatitam.
Navatitama.
Navatitamaha. Yes.
Saptami. Now apply Saptami.
And then Navatitame.
Yes. Navanavati pute shlokah asti.
So it's Navanavati. Okay. Nava.
So
okay.
Yes, some of you, I think one of you have used other word, ekona shata. That is also correct. Ekona shata, because 1 less 100. Ekona shata means 1 less 100, which is 99. Ekona shata tame. And if you want to use it, ekona shata, use ekona shata tame. Pute shlokah asti. Okay. Next one.
Yeah, so next one is number 14 is so it's Pam panchavimsham vahanam shighram chalati. So it's 25th.
Correct. Panchavishthitamam or Panchavisham, because Vahanam is Namoskalinga Ekavachanam.
And then so it's Trayastrimshi Balika Vegena Dhavati. So it's 33rd. Trayastrimshi.
So we want Sankhyaya only, right?
Yeah.
Where is the...
So it's like in this. So it's Trimshi. Is it 30 Trimshi?
Yeah, that's correct. What is said is correct. I'm just trying to show here. No, Trinushattamaha. Trayastrinushat. Trayastrinushat. Trayastrinshi. Correct. Trayas and Trinushi. Trayastrinshi or Trayastrinushattami. Right?
Yes. Trayastrimshattami. Yes, that's hard. So, okay, number 16 is Varikshu Padasya Vivaktihi Saptami.
Saptami, okay.
And
next one.
Saritam Padasya Vivaktihi Dvitiya.
Dvitiya? Which
Dvitiya.
one? What is the Pratipadikam?
So it's Dvitiya. Dviti, is it?
No.
Dvitiya.
What is the Pratipadikam of Saritam?
It's Sarita. Is it the Strilinga Akaranta Shabda?
Okay.
Sarita.
If you take it Sarita, that's fine. But in this, right now we are discussing this Sankhyeyas. The context here is different. So why this question is asked is because this Trinushat, Chatvarimshat, these words is Trinushat in Sankhya. So here we have some words ending in Takaranta, like Trinushat, Chatvarimshat, Panchashat. So these words are Strilinga, they take Ekavachanam, and they take the form like Sarit Shabda.
Okay, it's Sarit and not Sarita.
Sarit Shabda, that's why that question is asked. So if you look at Sarit, then Saritam should be in which?
Then I need to check Mahadaya. So it's Takaranta Strilinga. Is it?
Yeah, like you can think of like any Takaranta word, if you remember, like Bhavat Shabda, which is like Bhavan, Bhavanto, Bhavantaha. Even though it is Pullinga, it's fine. But the other vibhaktis, they are mostly same. In the Halanta means the words ending in consonants, Pratipadikas ending in consonants. In the Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napunsaklinga, of course, will be like Pullinga. But Pullinga, Strilinga words will be almost same. Yeah.
Okay, yes.
They are actually same. So if you remember Bhavan is not exactly like Sarit, but the Shashti Bhakti and starting from Ditya, etc., it will be all same Takarant. Like if you remember Marut Shabda, even Marut, which is pulling. But the Vibhakti forms will be same.
Okay, so yeah, now I get it. So it's like Shashti Bahuvachana.
Yes.
So it's Saritam is okay. So I think it should be not Dvitiya but Shashti.
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Shashti Vibhakti. So okay. It's like Bhavatam, Marutam. Okay, next one, 18th.
18th is Saptavimshasya Nakshatrasya Nama Revati.
Saptavimshasya or Saptavimshati Tamasya. Both are same. Oh, so many are there. More. Okay.
And then I can go more. So it's so चतुष्षष्टिभ्यः देशेभ्यः जनाः आगच्छन्ति.
From 64 countries.
Yes, from
20th.
The 20th is so it's like it's Sankhyeyas again. So द्वाविंश्याः शाटिकायाः वर्णः नीलः.
द्वाविंशतितम्याः द्वाविंश्याः शाटिकायाः वर्णः नीलः. Okay.
And I can continue. So number 21 is again, I think Sankhyeyas. So Ashtamat Ghatat Jalam Patati.
Ashtamat Ghatat Jalam Patati. Okay.
So number 22 is Vishnoho Navamaha Avataraha Buddhaha. So it's Sankhyeyas.
Okay. Next.
Shall I continue?
Yeah, only 3 are there.
Okay.
Finish.
So number 23 is so it's again I think Sankhyeyas. So Mitram Chaturthyai Balikayai Pustakam Dadati.
Chaturthi becomes Chaturthyai.
And number 24 is Yatrikah Tritiyena Vahanena Gacchati. So it's again Sankhyeyas. And number 25 is Ramaha Ayutaihi Rakshasaihi Saha Yutyati. So it's like 1,000, 10,000.
Ayutaihi. Here it is just Sankhya.
So it's Sankhyeyas.
Okay. Uttamam. So
so number 10 Mahodaya. So is it Pandavaha Trayodashatame or it's Trayodashe?
Trayodasha. So what did we say? Trayodasha or Trayodashatame?
I think I wrote Trayodashe, but then I think you said Trayodashatame. So is it like 13th is Trayodasha, right?
No, Trayodashe. So it is Trayodashe. Correct.
It's Trayodashe. I think I may have misheard. Okay.
Maybe I said wrong. Yeah. Chaturdashah, Trayodashah, Trayodashe. Correct.
So I have a question. Number 20 for Strilinga and Sankhyeyas side, right? Like, is it same as Vimshati Tama, and then for 30 Trimshat Tama, and then 40 Sattvarimshat Tama? Is that right?
Yes.
In this book, yeah, Tama. But here is me, right, behind. Here in this book,
Which book?
This book
Which
is
book?
the Vedantasya Bhasha Dvitiya Bhagaha. Is the same as these, the other one that we're using, but it's just that this one is in the Vedantasya Bhasha. Nothing much, it's just a story a bit different here and there. So it's supposed to be, which is this?
There may be some.
It's in Dirgha. So it's like Vimshati Tama, Trimshat Tama, and Chatur rimshattama, then shattama is in dirgha, the ending.
Dirgha means akaranta.
So is it possible both also can be right?
Possible. But we don't generally see them. Maybe, you can say Panchama, but we generally see Tami. Like after Pratama, Ditiya, Tritiya, others next Strilinga, we generally see Ikaranta in the Prayoga, but if somebody somewhere, rarely if it is Akaranta, that's fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Any other question? Telangan Mahade had some question, I think.
Dhanyawad Mahodaya, I got my doubts cleared now. Thank you.
What are the doubts others can also understand?
No, I raise a doubt where we have to use that Visheshanam. So whenever there is a Vibhakti on the other side, then we have to use the Visheshanam. That's the answer which I raised.
Yeah, the question I think was, so anyway, so let me summarize that. Sankhya and Sankhyaya both are Visheshanam. Whether you use Sankhya or Sankhyeya, both are Visheshanam. And as per the Vishesham, the Visheshana has to change, right? But if you look at the forms here in the Sankhya, some of them like Eka, Dvi, Tri, Chatur, these they have distinct forms in Pullinga, Strilinga, and Punsakalinga. So if these are used as a Visheshanam, like Ekaha Balakaha, Eka Balika, Ekam Vanam, so these will change definitely. So these up to 4, right? Chatwar, Chatwaraha, Chatasraha, Chatwari. So these will change with the Vibhakti also. But Pancha onwards up to Navadasha, Trilingeshu Samana Rupam Nitya Bhavachanam. So here, though they are Visheshanam, because of this special Prayoga Vashat, when we say rule, we can, right now we think it as a rule, but how the rules are found? Because of how the language is being used. So in the language these are being used from Pancha to Navadasha. Obviously they are Bhavachanam, but in all the lingas they look same. Obviously, as you see here, in the Vachana Rupa, they are different. Dasha become Dasha. So even Ekadasha also, they have different Vibhakti Rupas. I have not shown here because Dasha is already there. You can use the same it's the same what? Form, like a Dasha, Dashabhihi, Triyo, Dashabhihi, etc. So because of this way, though they are Visheshanam, their form will not change when the Vishesham is Srilinga, Pullinga, and Punskalingam. Now the next one we have Vimushkati onwards. They are all Strilinga up to Navanavati. They are only Strilinga, though they are Visheshanam, but because of the, again, usage, how the language usage is there, they are always in Strilingam, though the Vishesham could be in any linga. But they are still Visheshanam. In Sankhyeya, it is very clear. Sankhyeya, we have 3 distinct forms in Pullinga, Strilinga, Punskalingam, Akaranta, Ikaranta, or Akaranta, and Punskalingam. So here, they always follow the the linga vachana vibhakti of visheshyam. Okay. Any other question before we move ahead? Tavyat, Aneeyar, this is what we were seeing last time. So I think let me quickly revise it. Now before this, so if you recall Tavatu Pratyaya, does anybody remember Tavatu Pratyaya? Rajeshwari Bhagini, what is Tavatu Pratyaya? Tavatu Pratyaya. उदाहरणं किं तवतु प्रत्ययान्तपदम्
तवतु
क्तवतु
आगतवान् आगतवती
correct. I'm just writing it to make it clear. Ktavatu. So this agatavan, agatavati, etc. So what you have learnt that ktavatu pratyayanta padam, is it a nama padam? Agatavan, is it a nama padam or kriya padam? Nama padam. Also, in what kala it is used, in what context it is used. What kala?
Bhutakala.
Bhutakala. So when you want to say, I came to the school, so how do you say that?
Aham agatavati.
Aham
vidyalaye agatavati or vidyalayam agatavati.
Aham vidyalayam agatavati. Saha vidyalayam gatavan. Means he went to the school. That's how we translate, but it's not exactly right. But anyway, you got the point. It's like saying Saha vidyalayam gatavan asti. Means he has gone. Actually, it is a bhuta kridanta. It's called bhuta kridanta. He has gone to the school. That's what it means. Saha vidyalayam gatavan means what? He has gone to the school. Okay. So when we say he has gone to the school, that has gone means what? He is in the school, which is like bhutakala, right? Like past tense. So this tavatu pratyaya, which changes to tavat when it is being applied to dhatu. So if you take the gatavan only, right, gatavan, then the dhatu is gam, then we add tavat. Tavat means tavatu originally, that is the vyakarana rupam of tavat pratyaya, original rupa in Paniniya Vyakarana. So that the process changes to tavat and it finally becomes gatavat as the pratipadikam. And gatavat in Pullinga vibhakti forms take gatavan, gatavanto, gatavanta, etc. And Strilinga becomes gatavati, gatavatyau, gatavatyah, like nadi shabdavat. And the Napumsaklinga becomes gatavat, gatavati, gatavat, gatavati, gatavanti. But note that here we are saying tavat or tavat pratyaya is coming in the sense of past tense. Okay? It is not replacement past tense, replacement of lang lakara. Remember that. It is not replacement of lang lakara, but it is coming in the sense of bhutakala, which means that the action that has happened becomes the quality of the person, right? When we say sahagatavan, means the act of going or the act of has gone, reaching, becomes the quality of quality. When I say quality, it becomes visheshanam, right? It becomes the visheshanam of the person who has done this act. Sahagatavan asti means the act of reaching is there, and that becomes the quality of that saha, or say balakah gatavan. It is like saying balakah unnatah, balakah, what are the other qualities? Balakah gunavan, balakah uttamaha. So something like that. Gatavan also becomes a visheshanam or quality of the person. But note that context of bhutakala is there, means the act is there inside the person, which is like a bhutakala. But to keep it simple, let's say it is coming in the sense of bhutakala. Okay, so when we want to say saha agachat, that is the actual lang lakara, right? In that place, we can, in theory, say saha gatavan asti, saha agachat, saha gatavan asti. Okay? Both are same, right? Saha agachat, saha gatavan asti. So this tavatu pratyaya is coming in or added to the dhatu in the sense of bhutakala, to convey the sense of bhutakala. Do you all understand now? Is it clear as far as the tavatu is concerned? I guess yes.
Yes, Mahoday.
So it's an option, right? I mean, it's not lang lakara, but it's another way of also conveying past tense also, right?
Yeah, option, yes, but they are not the same. Okay? So when we want to say saha agachat, the kriya has completed. Okay? So he reached, saha agachat, or he went. So that's clear there. But when we want to say gatavan, then it becomes visheshanam. Then what? Let's see this, like saha balakah gatavan asti, balakah gatavan asit, balakah gatavan bhavishyati. So the other asti, asit, bhavishyati can be used separately with gatavan. So what happens here now? When you say balakah gatavan asit or balakah gatavan bhavishyati, take the example of balakah gatavan bhavishyati. What does that mean?
He would have gone. Is it something like that?
No. He will go in the future.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it is like saying balakah gamishyati only. Right? Balakah gamishyati means he will go in future. But when we say balakah gatavan bhavishyati, means it is similar. In some time in the future, he will attain the quality of reaching. That is how we want to literally translate it.
Okay.
Means, let's say, he will have gone. I'm trying to translate English as closely as I know. He will have gone. Yeah. He would have gone means that is not a possibility, right? He would have gone, I think, is not a possibility. But I'm thinking if somebody knows English better, they can help here. But when we say balakah gatavan bhavishyati, balakah patitavan bhavishyati, suppose he is reading, let's say he is reading some grantha now. Yeah? He is reading some some science book, yeah? Or some pustakam. Balaka pustakam. Patati means what? He is reading right now. Balakaha patishyati means he will read it in future. Balaka apathat means he read it. But if we say balaka patitavan, then the question comes also. Generally now, because of some of the books, they are saying that instead of, you can directly replace it with bhutakala. Balaka patitavan means he read. But that's not true. So it also depends on the asti, asit, bhavishyati. Like balakah patitavan asti means what? Means he has read. Yeah? Means he has. Means it is like saying he is learned. Yeah? Right? He is learned. That learned is the quality of the person now. He is learned. Balakah patitavan asti. Now balakah patitavan asit. He had read. That means he had read the book in the past. Balaka pustakan patitavan asit. Now you can also put balaka pustakam patitavan bhavishyati. He will become learned in the future. Now I am using learned because it is easier to say here. So, but you get the idea. Balakaha pustakam patitavan bhavishyati. He will become the one who has read the book. Yeah, that would be better. He will become the one who has read the book in future. Balaka pustakam patitavan bhavishyati. Okay. These three forms now clear? Vijayanti begin.
Yes, I got it. So the balaka pustakam patitavan bhavishyati, he would have he would have read in the book in future, right, sir?
Yes. That means suppose let's say he is planning to read a book, or he has already started reading the book now. Now he is going to take like 6 months to complete reading the book. Now we can say balaka patitavan bhavishyati. March mase patitavan bhavishyati. Okay? There are different ways of saying it, but one of the ways to say it is balakaha agrima mase, in the next month, pustakam patitavan bhavishyati. Means he will become the one who has read the book, or who has completed the reading that book, finished the reading of the book. That is meaning in the next month, agrima mase. That means he has not completed the kriya is not complete yet, so it is not a bhutakala actually. But bhutakala here in the patitavan is with respect to the actual kriyapada in the sentence. So the actual kriyapada could be in any other kala, right? If you add asti, then it becomes vartamana kala. When we say palaka patitavan asti, that means he has read it, means the reading has completed. So then you can say, then it is similar to saying patat also and patitavan asti also same, right? Because the kriya is completed in both the cases. But when you say balaka patitavan asit, that means he had read it in the past. So here also it conveys the same thing. Balaka apatat means he read. Balaka patitavan asit, he had read the book. But the kriya has completed. But you see the conveyance or meaning conveyed is different. We want to say he had read the book in the past, or he had done something in the past. Yes, we are trying to say that it is in the past. So today he might not remember. He may not be that familiar with that. Whatever it is. Now here we are using pathanam, but it could be he was like a sports expert or whatever. So he has done it in the past, but today we don't know, kind of thing. But he has done it in the past, but that means he's experienced. So that might also one of the meanings you want to convey. But when we just say apatat means we're clearly saying that he read it. That's it. Okay? That lang lakara conveys a different meaning. But now if you add bhavishyati to tavatu, saha patitavan bhavishyati, that means in future he will complete the reading. Now the reference, time reference is in the future here. Bhavishyati is the actual kriya pada which is going to come in the future, and at that future moment his status will be one of that completed the reading.
Okay, understood. Okay. Okay.
So here but so sorry, tavatu pratyaya is coming in the bhuta kala in context or with respect to the actual kriya pada being used in the sentence. Okay? So this, when you add a kriya tavatu pratyaya, the word becomes a namapadam and it becomes a visheshanam, and the bhuta kala is with respect to the actual kriyapada, real lakara. Kriyapada means the one with the lakara, like asti, asit or bhavishyati. The one coming with the lakara, kriyapada, with respect to that, this will be in the bhuta kala.
Okay.
That's why we call this as a bhuta kridanta. This is not a replacement for lang lakara. Okay, so now having known this tavatu pratyaya is coming in the context of bhuta kala. Now similarly, Tavyat Aneeyar is coming, Tavyat or Aneeyar pratyayas are coming in the context of vidhiling lakara. Similar to what we said. Why I gave the example of tavatu? Because you already studied tavatu before and you know how it is used, but know that it is coming in the context of lang lakara, not a replacement again, not replacement lang lakara, but within that context it is coming. Similarly here, Tavyat Aneeyar also is coming in the context of vidhiling lakara. Examples are here. Balakah vidyalayam gachet. This one changed to karmani prayoga, becomes balakena vidyalaya gammet. Okay. Now this is vidhiling lakara in karmani, like this one. Now same thing can be, same context can be expressed using Tavyat Aneeyar Krit Pratyaya. If you take Tavyat here, Balakena Vidyalaya Gantavyah, again you can add the actual Kriyapada, like we added to Tavata Pratyanta Padam in that Vakyam, like Balakah Vidyalayam Gatavan Bhavati, Gatavan Asti, Gatavan Bhavati, Gatavan Asit, Gatavan Abhavat, Gatavan Bhavishyati. So those are added like that also. Here also all those can be added. Balakena Vidyalaya Gantavyah Bhavati, Gantavyah Asti, Balakena Vidyalaya Gantavyah Bhavat, Balakena Vidyalaya Gantavyah Bhavishyati. That can be added. However, if you skip it, you can assume that it is Asti. Okay? So Balakena Vidyalaya Gantavyah, again here Gantavyah becomes the Visheshanam of karma padam here, because if you take that tavatu pratyanta padam, that tavatu pratyaya is coming in the bhutakala context, but also in the what prayoga, kartari prayoga. When we say balakah, once again, balakah vidyalayam gatavan asti. We'll skip it. Vidyalayam gatavan. Okay, so this one, if you keep this in the lang lakara, what is the form? Balakah vidyalayam lang lakara
agachat.
Agachat. So you see both are in the kartari prayoga. Balaka vidyalayam agachat. So same thing, if you want to use tavatu pratyanta padam, then you don't have to change balaka vidyalayam agachat to karmani prayoga. So it remains kartari, balaka vidyalayam gatavan. Again, gatavan is the visheshanam for balakah, and balaka is the kartrupadam, right? In kartari prayoga, balaka kartrupadam, vidyalayam karmapadam, and gatavan also coming to balakah is a visheshanam. This gatavan is also kartrupadam. So here it is a kartari prayoga. So kartari prayoga langlakara, and being using gatavan tavatu pratyaya, the prayoga of the vakya doesn't change. Kartari remains kartari. So tavatu pratyaya is said to be coming in the kartari prayogarthe. But if you look at this tavyat, it comes in the karmani prayoga. So here palaka vidyalayam gachet, this is a kartari. Now this is a vidhiling prayoga. But to use tavyat or aneeyar, they have to come in the karmanyarthe, karmani prayoga. That means they come as the visheshanam for karma padam, not to the karma padam. So here is first you change to karmani, balakena vidyalaya gammeta. Now here gammeta is the kriya padam, vidhiling. And this vidhiling, in that place you bring the tavyat or aneeyar padam, aneeyar pratyanta padam. So here it becomes balakena vidyalayah gantavya. Now in this balaka vidyalaya gantavya, in this which is the kartrupadam, or even in the second one, which is the kartrupadam? This balakena is a kartrupadam, vidyalaya is a karma padam. Here in this first one, which is the kartrupadam? Kartrupadam is balaka only. Karma padam is vidyalayam. So kartari prayoga, karmani prayoga, kartrupadam, karma padam don't change. They remain same. Only the vibhakti of kartrupadam, karma padam change when we convert from kartari to karmani. So they remain same, balakena vidyalaya. Now instead of saying gammeta vidhiling, we can bring gantavya, similar to what we did with tavyat. In place of agachat, we brought in gatavan. So we bring in this gantavya here. The only difference here is gantavya comes as a visheshanam to karma padam, not kartrupadam. So what this means, balakena vidyalaya gantavya. What is the meaning of the first sentence? Balaka vidyalayam gachet. Boy should go to vidyalaya. And the second karmani becomes balakena vidyalaya gammeta. Vidyalaya should be reached by balaka. In the similar context, again it is not a replacement. We bring in the krut pratyaya of tavyat. So what happens here? Balakena vidyalaya gantavya as a visheshanam to karma padam. So by balaka vidyalaya vidyalaya should be gone. That is a simple translation. But gantavya being the Visheshanam to Vidyalaya, how do you translate to, I mean, literally try, do you want to try translate to English? Difficult, huh? Balakena Vidyalaya Gantavyah Asti. You want to try?
Yeah, but I don't think it's even possible now. It will be very, because, yeah, so it will be I don't know. Yeah, it is imperative that the boy goes to school, something like that. I mean, it's somehow,
right.
It is like Vidyalaya is like the necessary thing now.
Right. Correct. Vidyalaya. Correct. Yes. Vidyalaya is necessary thing to go.
Yeah. So I mean I don't know enough English to translate that. I mean it makes sense in whatever form it is in Sanskrit.
Right. But everyone got the idea of what is Balakena Vidyalaya Gantavyah. So you can add Asti or Asit Bhavishyati also. Note that when we add that Asti, Asit Bhavishyati, so that Vidyalaya has to be gone in the future. If you add Bhavishyati, Vidyalaya had to be gone in the past if you add Asit. But if you just skip it, then you can generally assume Asti, Balakena Vidyalaya Gantavyah. It is supposed to be reached.
Okay, goodbye. Thank you.
Bye. So here we have two Krit Pratyayas, Tavyat, Aneeyar, both in the same or similar sense. Most of the time they have the same meaning, like Gantavya Gamaniyam is to be gone. Vidyalaya should be reached. The second example we have here, Balikaya Pustakam Patitavyam. The book should be read by Balika. This is not the literal translation though. Note that the translation is for the Karmani Prayoga passive voice sentence, like Balikaya Pustakam Pathet. Book should be read by Balika. But with the Tavyat Pratyaya, you can Balikaya Pustakam Patitavyam Asti, you can add again, same thing. Or Balikaya Pustakam Pathaniyam. Because Patitavya or Pataniya become the Visheshanam for Karmapadam, so they follow the same Vibhakti Linga Vachanam of Karmapadam here. Balikaya Pustakani Patitavyani, Balikaya Pustakani Pataniyani, etc. So other examples shown here, Dhanikena Dhanam Datavyam Daniyam, Shramikena Snanam Kartavyam Karaniyam, Marjarabhyam Dugdham Patavyam Paniyam, to be drunk. Then Meghaihi Jalam Varshitavyam Varshaniyam, Simhaihi Guha Veshtavya Veshaniya, Supaihi Prajaha Palitavyaha Palaniyaha. This Tavyat, Aneeyar, they are very, very common in the Sanskrit usage, language usage. And they are also easy, quite easy, because both are Akaranta in Pullinga and Napunskalingam and Akaranta in Strilinga, Patitavya, Pataniya. But note that they come as a Visheshanam to Karma Padam, not Kartrupadam. One example you can take. Shivashtami. So the girl should reach or go to a river. So first, you can try, if you want to, you can try kartari vakyam, kartari prayoga, karmani prayoga, then Tavyat Aneeyar. The girl should go to river.
Balika, Nadim, Gachet.
Balika Nadim Gachet.
Yeah. Then it will be Balikaya Nadim Nadim Gachet, right?
Look at the first one, Nadim Gachet. What is the, let's turn it in, Gachet is the Kartari prayoga, right?
Balikaya Nadim Gamyet.
Gamyet, not Gamyet.
Gamyet, yeah.
Because this becomes Karmani, which is Atmanepade.
So, Balikaya Nadi Gamyet.
Balikaya Nadi Gamyet. Correct.
Yeah.
Nadi becomes Prathama Vibhakti.
Then this will become Balikaya Nadi Nadim Balikaya
Nadi Prathama Karmani Prayoga.
Yes, Balikaya Nadi Gamyeta, no?
Gamyeta, okay, that is a lang lakara rupam. Sorry, Vidiling rupam.
Yeah.
Vidiling rupam.
So you want a
Tavyat, you know.
Okay. Balikaya Nadim Gantavyah or Gamaniyah, either of those?
No, so first.
Yeah, is that right, Mahoday? Balikaya.
Karmani prayoga, what was the vakya? Balikaya.
Yeah.
Karmani, this one.
Nadi. Gamyeta. Yeah.
Now, this one we want to use Tavyat Pratyaya, Pratyanta Padam, like, then Balikaya.
Yeah, Balikaya. It will have to be Nadim, right?
Why Nadim? Karmani is Nadi only. Karma Padam. Karmani Prayoga remains Param Prathama Bhakti.
Nadi Gantavyah or Gamniyah? Gamaniyah or Gantavyah?
But Tavyat, if you want to use Tavyat, use Gantavya. If you want to use Aneeyar, use Gamaniya. But now the Prashna Udbhavati, what should be the Linga Vachana Bhakti of Gantavya or Gamaniya? It should be, it is a Visheshanam for Karma Padam.
With Nadi, right?
Nadi.
Yeah.
So Gantavya should be in what Lingam?
It should be Strilinga, right?
Strilinga. So Gantavya changes to
Gantavyaha. Is that right, Mahoday?
So here, what do you see here at the bottom?
Yeah.
Similar to this, Guha. Guha is Strilinga. The Nadi is also Strilinga. So the Tavyat becomes Gantavya becomes Gantavya.
Gantavya or Gamaniya.
Gamaniya, Gantavya. Ekavachanam.
Yeah.
It is like Akaranta, like Katha, Rama Shabda. Gantavya, Gamaniya. Okay.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadah. Next one. What is the example here? Examples, they are here. Rangan Mode, want to do this?
Mहोदय भवति
भवती चित्रं पश्येत्. In Karmani, if you change it to Karmani Prayoga first.
भवत्या चित्रं पश्येत्.
Pashyeta change it to Drishya.
पश्येत.
No, Drishyata.
दृश्यत. Sorry, क्षम्यतां. दृश्यत.
Drishyeta.
दृश्येत. भवत्या.
Then Tavyat.
Next one, Mहोदय.
No, Tavyat, using Tavyat.
Tavyat. Okay. Bhavatya chitram darshitavyam. Drashtavyam.
Tavyat. Okay, Aneeyar.
Tavyam.
Aneeyar, if you want to use Aneeyar.
Bhavatya chitram darshaniyam.
Darshaniyam, drashtavyam, darshaniyam. Okay, next one. Tvam vahanam chalayehe.
Tvaya vahanam chalayet. Chalayet. Tvaya vahanam chalayet.
Chalyet.
Dhatu chal. Chalyet. Tvaya vahanam chalitaviyam. Tvaya vahanam chalaniyam. Yuyam deepan स्थापयेत. यूयं युष्माकं युष्मत् शब्दं just I forgot. त्वया युष्मत् शब्दम् अस्तु महोदय. यूयं त्वया which one Mahavir?
Tvaya becomes, oh sorry,
yeah, Yuyam Ishmat Tvaya Bahuvachanam. Yuyam, yeah. Bhagavachane it will be Yushmabhihi. Yushmabhihi Deepaha Stadagam. Dhatu is sta, correct, Mahodaya?
Stap.
Stapyeta. Then
no, wait. Stapyeta is ekavachanam. Now Deepa is a bahuvachanam. Deepaha.
Then it should be Bhagavachanam should be Vadhilinge Paketan Stapyetan. It should be Stapyetan over there. Atmanepada
Vidhiling bahuvachanam.
Stapyeran. Stapyeran.
So if you look at Vanda Dhatu, Vidhiling, okay? Vidhiling, Vande run, like Stapyeran.
Stapyeran.
Where is that? Here. Okay, now Yushmabhihi Deepaha Tavyat.
Yushmabhihi Deepaha Stapaniyam Stapitavyam.
Bahuvachanam Deepaha. Karmapadam bahuvachanam asti. Deepaha.
Deepaha Stapitavyaha. Deepaha Yushmabhihi Deepaha Stapaniyaha.
Okay, next one.
Aham Daveyam. Ekvachanameva. Maya Davyeta. Maya Davyeta. Maya Davyeta. Maya Davitavyam. Maya Davaniyam.
Yes, because here it is Bhave Prayoga. Bhave Prayoga. So Karma Padam Nasti. So within Lakara Pratama Purusha Ekavachana. And in Tavyat Aneeyar it will be always Napumsakalingam Ekavachanam. Okay, next one.
Agrima. Avam Tandulan Kriniva. Avam Tandulan Kriniva. Avam Bayam.
Means let us buy rice. Okay. Next.
Yeah.
Two of us. Okay. Let two of us buy rice.
Avabhyam Tandulaha. Avabhyam Tandulaha. Kreen. Dhatu is Kree. Creatam. No. Creatam.
No, Tandula.
Kriniyetam.
Okay, so here Tandula Shabda is Karma Padam. What is the vibhakti of Tandula? Vibhakti Vachana. Vibhakti
Tandulaha. So it should be Tandulaha.
And Vachanam.
Okay. This also should go to Bhagavachanam. Tandulaha, Bhagavachanam. It should be Bhagavachanam. It should say Yeran. Kreeneran.
What is the dhatu?
Kree क्रीन् धातु
Kri dhatu. So if it is Kri dhatu, let's look at Kri dhatu. Bhava karmani. So what is looking here?
Bhava karmani bahuvachane Kri dhatu. Kriyan Bhava karmani Anepati Vidilinga.
Vidilin.
Vidilinga is still not there. Atastasti. Vidilinga atasti. Kriyeran.
Kriyeran. That ni doesn't come here in the picture. Just Kri dhatu.
Kri dhatu. Kriyeran. Avabhyam tandulaha kriyeran. Avabhyam tandulaha kritavyaha.
Yes, right change. Kretavya.
Kretavyaha.
Kretavyaha. And
kriyaniyam. Kriyaniyam.
Okay. No, there is some change. Look at, I'm not sure whether, let's see. Krudanta is given here. Yeah, Krudanta, where is? Here it is, Aneeyar. Krayaniya. Right?
Aneeyar, yeah. Kriyaniya.
Krayaniyaha. Kretavyaha, krayaniyaha.
Avabhyam tandulaha krayaniyaha.
Okay, next.
Agreement. Vayam Sanskritam Bhashemahi. Vayam Sanskritam Bhashemahi. Vayam Vayam Asmabhihi Sanskritam Bhashemahi. Bhashitavyam, that is comes Bhashaniyam Bhashemahi.
Bhashaniyam Bhashitavyam. Okay, the karmani prayoga you can find out later, but let's Tavyat Aneeyar is simple, right? Bhashitavyam Bhashaniyam. Okay. Bhashyeta, correct. Okay, Bhashyeta. Sanskritam Bhashyeta. Okay, next one.
Sanskritam Bhashyeta. Asmabhihi Sanskritam Bhashaniyam and Asmabhihi Sanskritam Bhashitavyam.
So
next one is Aham Palam Bhaksheyam. Aham Palam Bhaksheyam. Aham Palam Bhaksheyam. Aham Asmabhihi Sanatmasbihi Maya Palam Bhaksheta. Maya Palam Bhakshaniyam. Bhakshitavyam. Maya Palam Bhakshitavyam. Maya Palam Bhakshaniyam. Agrime Vayam Lekanam Darshayema. Vayam Lekanam Darshayema. Asmabhihi Lekanam eva. Asmabhihi Lekanam Darshayetha. Asmabhihi Lekanam Darshayetha.
Darshayeta.
Asmabhihi Lekanam Darshitavyam. Asmabhihi लेखनं दर्शनीयम्
दर्शितव्यं दर्शनीयं समीचीनम् अस्तु so as you might have noticed just easy to use this Tavyat Aneeyar instead of the kriya pada rupam with ling rupam and karmani. So these usages are very, very common. Tavyat Aneeyar. Harihi sevitavyah. Harihi bhaktaihi sevitavyah, sevaniyah, etc. So, okay, we'll stop here today. And next year I won't be here, so we'll probably have to skip. But not next week. Next week probably have to skip. I'll send an email maybe tomorrow. Okay. धन्यवादः नमस्कारः
नमस्कारः महोदय
धन्यवादः महोदय